today I'm going to install my new light fixtures from Shopee. This is a 21 watt T5 tube light LED. Napapalitan ko na yun ng LED yung shop ko ng tube light kasi pagkagabi nakakapulag na yung ilaw. Pag madilim yung ilaw, tapos sa shop mo kailangan maliwanag. So about the wiring, this is what I came up with. I'm going to hide this with moldings as well. I'm going to attach this here and here. That's gonna make this. That's gonna make it into a series. So I've finished the wiring. It's not the prettiest, and there is probably another way of doing this, but this is the first thing that came to my mind. I also thought of it for a couple of minutes, and I think it's safe. Anyway, one way to know if it's safe is to test it. I'm testing it. I'm going to install this one. This is the socket adapter, and what this does is it makes those light bulb sockets into a plug. Turn on the breaker and moment of truth. Wow! Kuya! Grabing liwanag! Ay! Tingnan mo! Grabing liwanag! Look at my shop! Wow! Kuya! 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 Si Kuya! Ang liwanag! Look at my shop! Wow! One LED tube can produce 1,800 lumens. That's the rating that the seller gave me. Consuming 21 watts of power each. So I'm having 40 to 43 watts of power being consumed right now, but I think it's all worth it. Kuya, tingnan mo! Wow, di ba? Wow, di ba? Wow. Dalawa. Pag itatlo ko pa yan.
Mas maliwanag dito.
Dito, no?
Oo.
Kaso wala pa akong balak dito. Ito muna kasi. Is it the prettiest? No. Is it the safest? I don't know. But does it work? It sure does work. It just brightened up the whole place. 50 times brighter than my old light bulbs. This is when this came out, and this light bulb came out. This made this shop a bright room, but it didn't last for a long time. I'd say 4 or 5 months, and that's it. I didn't throw this away because I think the LEDs still work. I might salvage those. This is a 45 watt bulb, and this is a 40 watt football bulb. 45, 40. Daylight, natural light. I won't recommend this one. Not for a shop. This can work if, but this doesn't cover a lot of room in my shop. Neither do this. But this LED tubes, let's say 42 watts of power, it brightens up the whole room to my satisfaction. This brightens the room with this a higher wattage, but this doesn't do the trick. For a shop like mine, which is dark, I would recommend at any shop this tube light. I'll take pictures of what I did, so probably you can have it as reference. Done the moldings for the wirings on my lights. It looks neater than it was before, days ago. No hanging wires, just a lot better today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Bye bye.